In this video, I'll show you how to fix Garmin not connecting to phone. If your Garmin device isn't connecting to your phone, try this troubleshooting steps. First, what you can do is to restart both of your devices. So go ahead and turn off your Garmin device and phone and wait for 30 seconds and then turn them back on. So simply long press the power button on your device and select that power off option. Then after 30 seconds, go ahead and restart your phone. Another thing that you can do to resolve this problem is to check Bluetooth settings. So head over into Bluetooth by going into the settings of your device. Long press on the Bluetooth button, which you'll find at the top of your device. Now, once you're on the Bluetooth section, you'll be able to find the list of devices connected to your Bluetooth. Make sure to forget the Garmin device in Bluetooth settings and then repair it. And the last option that you have, if this doesn't work as well, is to update Garmin Connect app. Open the App Store or Google Play and search for Garmin Connect and then update it. That's basically how you can fix Garmin not connecting to phone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.